Hi guys, so a wee bit of an update for you. The Corolla is back up in the air again, and I'm doing the suspension on it this time. So in my last video I showed you the coilovers that I got, which were the Vine Garage or Brunoki front coilovers, which are quite a rare coilover now, so I'm led to believe. But I managed to get my hands on some, and the shocks were absolutely blown on them. So if I can find them, they're over here somewhere, get past all the crap. So yeah, I've taken them apart. So this is them here. As you can see, it's just the casings, and I thought it was TRD blues that are in it, and it is TRD blues that are there. So this is the one that was actually burst on it. As you can see, it's well and truly down. There's no getting that back up at all. I went down, staying down. So I was trying to find out what I could get, and TRD blues were my choice, but unfortunately the cost of them at the moment for me is just too great, especially with getting married in a couple of months' time. I don't think the wife would be too impressed if I went and forked out that on a set of shocks. So came across a set of Coney adjustables. They are 80-92 shocks, so they're shorter stroke than AE86 shocks as standard, so a lot of people use the AE92 or the 82 shocks as inserts, which essentially is what TRD blues are. They're inserts for the front wheel drive Corollas. So yeah, I found these absolute peach, got them for a bargain. They are old stock, but they're brand new. So this is them here. Yeah. So this is for the AE92. I tried having a look to see what other ones were available. I wasn't too sure on sort of pricing for them. So yeah, I got these for absolute steal. The only set I could find, there was none second hand, none brand new, apart from these ones, and the guy really wasn't wanting a lot for them. So I got them all the way from Portugal. The only bit I was really kind of worried about was sizing, because they're modified OEM struts. The sizings on them can be a bit off. Most of them, or all of them really, should be reduced. The casing should be reduced by about 40mm. Some people's 40mm are different to other people's 40mm, but luckily these guys actually knew what they were doing, reduced it by 40mm. I went on the TRD website, got the sizes for them, and then I got them to measure up these conies, and measurement seemed pretty there. So I'm going to stick it down next to the only TRD that is actually not blown, so I'll get that as close as I can. And yeah, there you go. So if I move that out of the way, the actual shock itself, the main body, is not that far off. There may be 10mm maximum, and then the bottom again really isn't that far off. So size wise, it actually turned out quite well. Quite happy with that. I'm probably just going to have to use a small spacer, I would have thought, just so it makes contact with the bottom of the strut. Great, that's that. All I need to get now is roll center adjusters for the front, adjustable panhard rod. She's good to go. I've got the rear all set up, kind of, bar the panhard rod. I've got a set of 4.7 kilo TRD springs and a pair of HTS shocks, the adjustable shocks, which I should have said about the conies, they are 5-way adjustable as well, so that'll help me really set up for when I start getting a bit more serious with the track use, because I'm hoping to do a few of the Toyota Sprint series tail end of next year, tail end of this year, and then hopefully be competitive next year. That's all sort of job depending on what I'm going to be doing and where I'm going to be living next year. So yeah, that's it. That's really all there is. There's a noticeable gap already. Standing all over the place with my slippers right now. Put on the rear shocks, springs, test fitted a wheel. I and there's about a 3-inch difference already. The car's not even hit the ground. So I'll show you just now. So there you go. So the TRD spring there, I've painted it black because they wasn't exactly looking the nicest. So I'll just give it a quick lick of paint, and then the HTS shocks there. Bump stop wise, I never really thought of this, but the bump stop I've actually just cut completely. I've left a bit on, and it is exactly 2/3 that you take off. And the reason why I say it's 2/3 because there is the other 2, and the 1/3 is on the car. Fairly straightforward. So yeah, the car I think it's going to be quite low at the rear anyway. It'll be certainly lower at the front. Hopefully I'll curve my understeer problem. So yeah, can't wait. Manifold. Jacob fixed my manifold for me. I was wanting to get a completely new one. Didn't have the money. Story of my life. So he's welded in a flexi because the Jasma, this is the HKS Super Dragger manifold. It doesn't come with a flexi, which is a bit stupid in my opinion. So put one of those in, and he's literally just gone around all the welds. I said to him I don't want them to be pretty, I want them to actually last. And yeah, I wrote him a manifold as well because I was going to use it as a banister or an ornament. It says survived the Nürburgring but not the M25. 25 is meant to go there, but hey, can't have them all. So yeah, can't wait to get this thing back on the road. All I need to do now is, like I said, buy the RCAs, buy the panhard rod, and buy new engine mounts. Whack them in, insure, well it's actually insured, tax it, ready to go. MOT's up until May. Yeah, can't wait. I've missed driving it. So hopefully it'll be quite good. Can't wait. So that's all for now. Until I get anything else done, I'll see you. Bye.